Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about the top 3 website for students. If you are a student and you want to learn new skills, or you want to uh, be more focused on your studies, or you want to get help in your study, then these websites are very useful and very helpful for you. So the first website is Khan Academy. KhanAcademy.com provides you free online courses, and this is free of cost. So if your child is in 8th grade, math, test preparations, computing, arts and humanities, and economics, maths, and every subject is almost every subject is here, and you can learn free for them. And if you want to donate them, you must be donating. And there is a new feature, get AI tutoring. Let's see. World class AI for education. And you can also watch about the Khan Migo, the AI bot, the AI teacher of Khan Academy. uh, you can watch this video, and you can watch with this video to get the information. This is basically a power chatbot. As you seen screenshot, that you can ask question from him and he will answer you. So this is a great initiative by Khan Academy. So there are 3 steps: sign into Khan Academy, choose a payment plan, or you can also get free. uh, this is for Khan Migo, Khan Labs. Basically, Khan Academy is free. Why they get payment from you? To cover the cost we pay for ChatGPT 4, make a monthly payment of $4 or an annual payment of $44 to access Khan Migo's personalized learning. And I don't think so. $4 is very, you know, heavy amount. This is just a peanuts. So this is the first website, and the second website is Coursera.com. You can also get courses if you want to build your career in any, like coding skills and any other skills. So you can explore like data science, in business, computer science, information technology, language learning, health, personal development, physical science and engineering, social sciences, and there are many more. And some are paid, some are free. So it's your choice that you get paid, you want to get paid knowledge or free knowledge. They provide both. So the last one is Quizlet. You can create flashcard and different learning tools from here, and this is a very useful website in your study career. You can create magic notes. QChat means you can chat with your AI tutor and get expert solution from it. Magically transform your AI notes with AI. And you can also check out that you can also create test for you to check your performance. And you can also check the subjects for exams, IELTS, TOEFL, and languages, French, math, and science, social sciences, and other subjects. So that's up to you. And this is the third and last website. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.